Tired of overpriced gear that doesn't deliver? Today, we're diving into the best tools you can grab on Amazon, all under $100. From shop essentials to clever problem solvers, these picks prove you don't need to spend big to get pro-level performance. Let's check out the lineup and see which ones deserve a spot in your toolbox. Clearing leaves, dust, or debris with rakes and brooms is slow, tiring, and uneven, but the Growort Cordless Leaf Blower solves that with lightweight, battery-powered convenience, delivering air speeds up to 130 mph in a powerful 150 CFM airflow. It quickly sweeps patios, driveways, and yards without the noise or hassle of gas engines. The cordless design, powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, gives you freedom to move anywhere, while the compact 3.5-pound frame reduces fatigue during extended use. A variable speed trigger lets you adjust airflow for delicate areas, such as flower beds, or for full power when handling heavy debris. With fast charging and quiet operation, the Growort Cordless Leaf Blower transforms outdoor cleanup from a back-breaking chore into a quick and efficient task, perfect for homeowners who want reliable performance in a portable package. Measuring long distances with a tape measure is awkward, inaccurate, and nearly impossible alone. But Klein's laser distance measure solves that with fast, one-handed precision. Offering a range up to 200 feet, it delivers instant digital readings with accuracy within plus or minus 1/16 of an inch, making it perfect for layouts, estimates, and interior projects. Multiple modes, single, continuous, and area calculations speed up planning, while the backlit display ensures visibility in dim spaces. Compact and rugged, it slips easily into a tool belt and withstands job site conditions. Powered by standard AAA batteries, it's always ready when you are. Whether you're a contractor laying out framing or a DIYer estimating materials, the Klein laser distance measure transforms measuring from a frustrating chore into a quick, reliable process, saving time, reducing errors, and making every project more efficient. Cutting metal panels with snips or saws is slow, jagged, and exhausting, but Malco's TurboShear TSPC1 rotary panel cutter solves that with smooth, powered precision. Designed to attach to any corded or cordless drill, it transforms your drill into a high-speed cutting tool, capable of slicing through corrugated metal, sheet steel, and roofing panels with ease. The rotary cutting head delivers clean, burr-free edges without warping the material, while the 360-degree swiveling head lets you maneuver around profiles and cut in any direction. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to handle on rooftops or in tight spaces, and the rugged construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're a roofer, contractor, or DIYer, the Malco TurboShear TSPC1 turns tough sheet metal cutting from a frustrating chore into a fast, efficient process, saving time and delivering professional results every cut. Removing paint, stickers, or stubborn residue with improvised tools is slow, messy, and often damages surfaces, but the JiangCore razor blade scraper tool solves that with precision and durability. Built with a sturdy stainless steel frame and an ergonomic non-slip handle, it gives you firm control for safe, accurate scraping. The razor-sharp replaceable blades cut through adhesives, paint, and grime without gouging glass, tile, or metal. A quick change blade mechanism makes swaps fast, while the protective safety cap keeps blades covered when not in use. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry in a toolbox or pocket, making it ideal for contractors, DIYers, or anyone tackling cleanup projects. The JiangCore razor blade scraper transforms tedious scraping into a quick, efficient process, delivering professional results while protecting your surfaces. Cracked plastic parts, broken housings, or stripped threads often mean costly replacements, but JB Weld's 8237 PlasticWeld Epoxy Putty solves that with a quick, permanent repair solution. This hand-mixable two-part epoxy putty bonds to most plastics, including ABS, PVC, and fiberglass, creating a durable, waterproof seal in minutes. Once needed, it sets in 25 minutes and cures in 3 hours, forming a hard surface that can be sanded, drilled, tapped, or painted. With a strength rating of 350 psi, it's tough enough for automotive, plumbing, and household fixes. The convenient stick format makes it easy to apply exactly where needed, even in tight spaces. Weld PlasticWeld transforms broken plastic from a throwaway problem into a reliable, long-lasting repair, saving time, money, and keeping projects moving without waiting for replacement parts. Working with power tools, chemicals, or even doing yard work often exposes eyes to dust, debris, and splinters, but NoCry Clear Safety Glasses solve that with lightweight, impact-resistant protection. Built with polycarbonate lenses, they meet ANSI 87.1 safety standards, shielding against flying particles while remaining crystal clear for maximum visibility. The anti-scratch coating keeps lenses durable, while the anti-fog treatment ensures clarity even in humid or high-activity environments. With adjustable arms and a wraparound design, they fit securely and comfortably for extended wear, preventing gaps that let debris sneak in. At just a few ounces, they're easy to forget you're wearing until they save your eyes. Whether you're in the workshop, garage, or garden, NoCry Clear Safety Glasses transform risky tasks into safe, confident work, delivering reliable protection without sacrificing comfort or visibility.
Carrying multiple tools for small repairs or outdoor tasks is bulky and inconvenient, but the BIBURY Multitool Pliers Pro solves that with rugged, all-in-one functionality. Built from stainless steel with an anti-corrosion coating, it combines pliers, wire cutters, knives, screwdrivers, saw, can opener, and more into a single compact unit. The spring-loaded pliers make gripping and cutting effortless, while the locking mechanism keeps each tool secure during use. Ergonomic handles ensure comfort even during tougher jobs, and the foldable design slips easily into a pocket or belt pouch. Whether you're camping, tackling quick household fixes, or working in the garage, the BIBURY Multitool delivers reliable performance without the clutter of a full toolbox. It transforms everyday challenges into quick, efficient solutions, making it a must-have companion for DIYers, adventurers, and professionals alike. Maintaining a neat lawn with manual mowers is tiring, uneven, and time-consuming, but the LawnMaster MEB1114K electric corded lawnmower solves that with lightweight, plug-in convenience. Powered by a 12-amp motor, it delivers consistent cutting performance without the hassle of gas, oil, or pull starts. The 14-inch cutting deck is perfect for small to medium yards, while the 6 adjustable cutting heights, 1 to 3 inches, let you customize the finish. A 2-in-1 system offers mulching or rear bag collection, keeping clippings under control. Compact and weighing just 28 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and store, with foldable handles for space-saving storage. The LawnMaster MEB1114K transforms lawn care from a sweaty chore into a quick, efficient routine, ideal for homeowners who want reliable, eco-friendly mowing without the maintenance headaches of gas equipment. Cleaning crumbs, pet hair, or dirt with a full-size vacuum is inconvenient and overkill. But the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster solves that with lightweight, cordless suction you can grab anytime. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it delivers strong, consistent performance with up to 15 to 20 minutes of runtime per charge. The wide-mouth nozzle easily scoops up larger debris, while the built-in crevice tool reaches tight corners, car seats, and stairs. A washable bowl and filter make maintenance simple, and the compact design stores neatly in a closet or garage. At just a few pounds, it's easy to carry from room to room or out to the car. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster transforms everyday messes from a hassle into a quick, efficient cleanup. Perfect for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants cordless convenience at their fingertips. Installing door hinges by hand is slow, imprecise, and often leaves gaps or misaligned doors. But the Milescraft 1229 Hinge Jig PLUS solves that with professional-grade accuracy and speed. Designed to fit standard hinge sizes from 2.5 to 6 inches, this jig guides your router or chisel for perfectly aligned hinge mortises every time. The adjustable templates lock securely to the door and frame, ensuring consistent depth and spacing without tedious measuring. Durable construction and a clear alignment window make setup simple, while the included router bit and bushings provide everything you need to start cutting clean, square recesses. Whether you're hanging new doors or rehabbing old ones, the Milescraft Hinge Jig PLUS transforms hinge installation from a frustrating chore into a quick, precise process, delivering professional results that keep doors swinging smoothly for years. Demolition, pruning, or cutting through wood and metal with dull blades is slow, frustrating, and leaves rough edges. But the TOLESA 9-inch reciprocating saw blades solve that with sharp, durable performance built for heavy-duty jobs. Crafted from bimetal with cobalt reinforcements, these blades resist heat and wear, delivering long life even under tough cutting conditions. The 9-inch length provides deeper reach for demolition and outdoor pruning, while the aggressive tooth design ensures fast, clean cuts through wood with nails, PVC, or thin metal. Universal shank compatibility means they fit most reciprocating saws, making them a versatile upgrade for contractors, remodelers, and DIYers alike. Whether you're tearing down walls, trimming branches, or cutting pipe, TOLESA blades transform hard labor into efficient, precise cutting, saving time, reducing effort, and delivering professional results every stroke. Loosening stubborn lug nuts or tightening heavy bolts with hand tools is slow, exhausting, and often ineffective, but the Savum Impact Wench solves that with cordless high-torque power. Delivering up to 420 foot-pounds of breakaway torque and 360 foot-pounds of fastening torque, it makes quick work of automotive, construction, and garage projects. Powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, it offers consistent performance with variable speed control for precision. The ADS half-inch hog ring anvil ensures secure socket changes, while the compact, ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use. An LED work light keeps bolts visible in dim spaces, and the durable housing stands up to tough job site conditions. Whether you're rotating tires, assembling machinery, or tackling DIY repairs, the Savum Impact Wench transforms heavy fastening from a frustrating chore into a quick, efficient process, delivering pro-level results at home. Struggling with weak drills that stall on tough jobs wastes time and effort, but the Greenworks 24V half-inch brushless cordless drill solves that with powerful, efficient performance. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers more torque, longer runtime, and extended tool life compared to brushed models. The half-inch keyless chuck handles a wide range of bits, while the 24-volt lithium-ion battery provides consistent power for demanding tasks. With 2 speed settings and 24 clutch positions, you get precise control for drilling into wood, metal, or plastic, and for driving screws without stripping. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue during extended use, and the built-in LED light keeps your workspace visible. The Greenworks 24V drill transforms everyday projects from frustrating struggles into smooth, efficient work, perfect for DIYers and pros who want reliable, cordless power. But the Romex 660-pound digital hanging scale solves that with precision and durability. Built to handle up to 660 pounds or 300 kilograms, it's perfect for weighing heavy loads like luggage, feed bags, fish, or industrial materials. The large backlit LCD display ensures easy reading in any lighting, while the high-accuracy sensors deliver consistent results within a fraction of a pound. Compact yet rugged, it features a sturdy steel hook and shackle for secure lifting, and the tare function lets you subtract container weight for exact measurements. Powered by long-lasting batteries, it's ready whenever you need it. Whether for travel, farming, or workshop use, the Romex digital hanging scale transforms weighing from a guessing game into a quick, reliable process, saving time and ensuring accuracy every lift. Cutting rebar with hacksaws or abrasive wheels is slow, exhausting, and often leaves jagged edges, but the HappyBuy hydraulic rebar cutters solves that with clean, effortless power. Built with a 13-ton hydraulic system, it slices through steel reinforcement bars up to 3/4 inch thick in seconds. The precision cutting head delivers smooth, burr-free ends ready for concrete placement, while the 360-degree rotating head allows cutting at any angle, even in tight spaces. Compact and portable, it's easy to carry around the job site, and the heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability under tough conditions. With simple pump handle operation, it reduces strain compared to manual tools and eliminates sparks or noise from saws. The Happy Buy hydraulic rebar cutter transforms rebar prep from a grueling chore into a fast, efficient process, saving time, reducing fatigue, and delivering professional results every cut. Cleaning large driveways, patios, or decks with a standard pressure washer wand is slow, streaky, and tiring, but the Westinghouse Universal 16.5-inch pressure washer attachment solves that with wide, even coverage. Designed to fit most pressure washers up to 3,200 psi, it uses dual high-pressure rotating jets to deliver a consistent clean across concrete, stone, and wood surfaces. The 16.5-inch deck covers more area in less time, while the integrated bristle skirt contains overspray for a mess-free job. Lightweight yet durable, it glides smoothly and reduces user fatigue compared to handheld nozzles. Quick connect fittings make setup simple, and the rugged build ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're tackling a grimy driveway or prepping a deck for staining, the Westinghouse pressure washer attachment transforms outdoor cleaning from a tedious chore into a fast, professional quality finish. Balancing boards or materials on makeshift supports is unsafe, unstable, and slows down projects, but the Works YX065 clamping sawhorses solve that with sturdy, versatile design. Each sawhorse supports up to 1,000 pounds per pair, giving you reliable strength for heavy workpieces. Built-in clamping systems hold materials firmly in place, acting like a third hand for cutting, sanding, or assembly. The lightweight, foldable frame make them easy to carry and store, while the integrated cord hooks and tool trays keep your workspace organized. Non-slip feet add stability on uneven surfaces, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance indoors or outdoors. Whether you're tackling woodworking, home improvement, or garage projects, the Works YX065 clamping sawhorses transform unstable setups into a safe, efficient workstation, saving time, reducing frustration, and delivering professional results with every project. And there you have it, affordable tools that punch way above their price tag. If you found something worth adding to your cart, drop a comment below and let me know which tool impressed you most. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next roundup. Until then, keep building smarter, not harder.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.